Hello students, let us see this question here. A heavy uniform chain lies on a horizontal tabletop. If the coefficient of friction between chain and the table surface is 0.5, then maximum fraction of the length of the chain that can hang over one edge of the table. Okay, so let us make the diagram here. So it is given. So what is the maximum fraction you can hang from the hang from one edge of the table so that it remain at rest. So let us see, the situation will be something like this, and it is suppose. So suppose the fraction which is hanging, that is x. Okay, so here the fraction will be 1 minus x. So mass here, right, if the total mass of the chain, if I take here m, so the mass of the chain which is lying on the table, it will become m into 1 minus x, and here you will get m into x. So this is the mass here. All right, but and so this is the maximum you can take. So at the maximum position, the chain will about to slide, and when the chain is about to slide, obviously the friction will be limiting, and that will be in backward direction. So I can say from here the friction will act in backward direction, that will be FL. So now if I write the equation, so let us try to use the Newton's second law in this direction. So what is the pulling force? In this direction only the two forces are acting. One here, this pulling force will act, that is mx mass into g. Okay, and this direction the friction is friction will act, and these two forces must be equal to each other, then only the chain can remain at rest. So what is the value of FL here? You can easily say FL is equal to limiting friction, that is n into mu. Mu is given in the question, that is 0.5. So n into 0.25, sorry, and the value of n will be nothing but n will be equal to the weight of this portion of the chain. So that is m 1 minus x into z, that is the normal here, into 0.25. So that is the FL. All right. So I can say from here, so FL must be equal to mxg. So value of FL is what? See, m into 1 minus x g into 0.25, 0.25. All right, and that must be equal to mx g, right? So m, this will get cancelled out, g is also getting cancelled out. So I can easily say from here this will become 0.25 minus 0.25 x. Okay, and that is equal to x here. So I can say this will become 0.25 is equal to 1.25 x. So I can easily say from here we are getting the value of x is equal to 0.25 divided by 1.25. So we are getting here 1 upon 5. So the so in the question asking the maximum fraction of the length of the chain that can hang over the edge. So maximum fraction length of the chain that can hang over the edge. So hanging portion it is asking. So hanging portion I have taken x here. So 1/5 will hang. So you can easily say it is asking about the percentage. So in the percentage we will get 1 upon 5 into 100. So we will get here 20%. So 20% of the chain will hang over the one edge. So let us see which option is coming. Option A. Option A is correct. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.